If you've been wondering whether your X, formerly Twitter account has been shadow banned, this video is going to show you the quickest way to test it. A shadow ban can affect your visibility, your reach, and whether other people are actually seeing your posts in search or replies. So if your engagement suddenly dropped and you want a simple way to check, this tutorial is for you. And before we begin, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is open your browser and go to a Shadowban testing tool such as Yuzurisa Shadowban test. This kind of tool is designed to check whether your X account is restricted in search, replies, or other visibility areas. Once the page loads, you'll usually see a simple input box where you can type in your username. Be careful here and enter your exact X username without any extra spaces or mistakes. If your handle starts with an @sign, you can usually type it with or without the symbol depending on the tool, but make sure it matches your account exactly. After you've entered your username, look for the check button. This is the part that starts the scan. Go ahead and click check, and the tool will begin testing your account against the platform's visibility checks. In just a few moments, it should display the results on screen. These results may show whether your account appears normal or whether certain restrictions may be detected. If the tool flags an issue, don't panic right away. A shadow ban test is only one indicator, and sometimes visibility problems can also come from content quality, post timing, or temporary platform behavior. So it's best to use the result as a helpful signal rather than the final word. If the test shows no issues, that's a good sign that your account is likely visible normally. If it does show restrictions, you may want to review your recent posts, avoid spam-like behavior, and give the account some time to recover. You can also repeat the test later to see whether the result changes, and that's really all there is to it. Just enter your username, click check, and review the results. It's a fast and easy way to get a better idea of whether your X account might be shadow banned. If this video helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.